Hello everybody and welcome to South Date RC. It's our first episode. Yes, very basic, cheap. We haven't got our microphone yet, but I got the bad boy X-Maxx and I don't want to wait for that microphone. I want to run it already. So sorry about the audio. The next video will be a lot better. Maybe I'll start getting some upgrades. Again, we're just working with what we have. But I have Josh help me. It takes two people to pick up this box. So, here we go. Yeah, buddy. Here's the... We got the front of this thing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, baby, we got the X-Maxx here. Let me turn this around so you can see the specs. I know you guys have seen this thing unboxed probably a million times online. So I'm gonna do it again. But I'm gonna do something really quick. And, you know, just show you the basics and everything. And then we're gonna take it for a test run in a couple of days. But in this video, the magic of video editing, you'll see it right away. So this bad boy right here is a X-Maxx Traxxas 8S. This thing is a beast. And you guys probably already know it's a beast, but yeah, 30 volt. What we're gonna do today is unbox this puppy, then take it for a spin. This will be our first video. Sorry, this is amateur hour right here. So let's not cut our fingers off. Okay. Alright. You can't see it from here. You gotta have to see it from here. Oh man. I'm like a kid at Christmas right now. Open this thing. Come on. Let me get out of there. Ooh wee. It's a beast. I just want to get out of this box. What am I doing here? Yeah, Josh, you're gonna have to pull from that side. Yeah, it's a two-person job. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's my first time seeing it. What the hell is this? This was sealed in a box. It's not the hobby shop that did this. This was sealed inside another box. What the hell are you doing, Traxxas? You guys eating Rice Krispie treats? This is a brand new car. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. You saw it. It was sealed. I opened it. This was in there. These dudes eating Rice Krispie treats while they're packing these cars. And then they leave the... What else am I gonna find in here? Okay, we got a... What's going on in here? Oh yeah, this is amateur hour. Oh, stickers, instructions. Let's see what we got here. Controller, more packing. Thank you, Josh. Rice Krispie treats wrapper inside this thing. Oh, this is awesome, awesome content now. Oh, I'm gonna have to use the yeah, I'm gonna have to use the jaws of life real quick. Hold this. Let's go ahead and get that cardboard out of there. Thank you, Mr. Joshua. Break this damn table in half if I drop it. I'm gonna do it anyways. Check that out. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, this is a... See? We don't read instructions. We just figure it out. Oh, there you go. Check that out. Oh, no body clips. Oh man, look at that stunning green. Look at the size of these tires. You guys getting that? I don't know, this camera's too close. So you got this quick latch system right here. No body pins. You just kind of bear with me because we don't read instructions here. Just figure it out on the fly. Okay. My bad. My bad. I know you guys are going to be making fun of me. Big time. So you could do that. I deserve it. So here we are. This thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Don't edit this out. This is uncut. You want to see the struggle. The struggle is real. Look at this. Look at this. You got your two compartments for the 4S battery. Oh no, 6S batteries. What am I talking about? This is a 3S battery. This is what I run on the Stampede. We're gonna use one. This thing uses 2 of these. One goes here. Got a little latching system here. Again, I'm doing this on the fly. Like that, and you do the same thing for the other side. When we set it up to run and have the batteries charged, we'll go ahead and do all that. But no, this thing is beautiful. Just to give you an example of how big this thing is, for the ones that know, you will know now. Now I know how to do it. This is a Stampede 1/10 scale. Looks like a little baby now. Look at that. It looks like a little baby. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with this. This is the truck unboxed. And wanted to share with you guys a great first video for the channel. To have this bad boy, I wanted something really nice for the first episode. And this is what I brought. And we got more stuff back there that I'm gonna be previewing too. We got the 6.4 hopper. We got a Mustang that we're gonna upgrade. We got a crawler that we're gonna start doing other stuff too as well. And that's it. We're gonna cut off with this. I know my camera angles are bad, but we're gonna cut off with this, and we're gonna come back and show you it running on the road.